as a market leader in grinding technology in India, what is trending? What is new in Micromatic grinding?
So in Micromatic grinding, this time we are showing a couple of new products. First time we have now entered into a new product line of vertical double disc grinding. It is catering to bearing industry. It will cater to electronics industry. So that's a new area, growth area. Then we are also launching our first time thread grinding machine. So catering to machine tools, cutting tools. That's an area which we are targeting with this machine. Then we have complete line of centerless grinders that we are further extending into long bar feed grinding machines. So these are some of the trends. Also in the next generation of grinding, so we are showing here displaying machine with hydrostatic guideways, hydrostatic spindle. So basically for the non-round grinding, orbital grinding, some of the new technology that we are trying to, and most of our products are import substitute products. So really catering to the Atmanirbhar Bharat. That's what we're trying to do.
Show here the machines,
Yeah,
please.
sure. So this is our new launch. It's a double disc grinding machine. So here we can have basically catering to the bearing industry, two side parallel surfaces we can grind at a time. It's a high production machine for electronics industry as well as bearing industry, several other industries. Then this is a thread grinding machine. This is catering to, basically it has a A-axis, high precision thread grinding for also for cutting tool industry, machine tool industry for warm grinding and several other applications. This is also a new product. Machine is a special machine where we are showing a wide wheel grinding up to 250 millimeters we can grind, and it is complete integrated solution with robotics, inbuilt post-process gauging as well as in-process gauging, and catering to with the friction drive for automotive components like EV motor, and grinding in a single plunge up to 250 millimeters. So it's a complete integrated solution with the measurement and as well as grinding all together in one. Then here we have a centerless grinding machine. So this is the latest extension to our centerless line of grinders, where we are showing a fixed rest blade grinding machine. It is for long bar through feed grinding up to 6 meters. We're grinding hair components with a high finish, completely automated loading system for the long bars. And here we are showing a centerless grinder. Here the concept is basically inbuilt automation within the machine, a compact layout, and for loading and unloading with a gantry, 2 components at a time for multiple step shaft grinding. So this is our workhorse here, and very popular in the automotive industry.